In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add picture in Canva template using laptop. Let's start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click through to the official Canva website so you're in the right place. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your designs and templates. Once you're in, you should land on the homepage, which is your hub for creating and editing. From the homepage, look for the Create button. It's typically located near the top of the screen. Click it to begin a new design. Next, choose a template that fits what you're working on, whether it's a poster, social media post, presentation, or something else. Picking a template saves time because it comes pre-designed with layout and placeholders you can quickly customize. Open the template you want to use so the editor loads on your screen. On the left-hand side of the editor, find and click Uploads. This is where you'll manage images that you bring in from your laptop. With the Uploads panel open, click Upload Files. Your computer's file picker will appear. Browse to the photo you want to add, select it, and confirm. Canva supports common image formats like JPG and PNG, so choose a clear, high-quality file for the best result. Now wait for the upload to complete. You'll see the thumbnail appear in your Uploads library and a progress indicator may show while it's processing. Larger files or slower connections can take a bit longer. That's normal. Just give it a moment to finish. When the upload is done, select the photo you just added by clicking on it in the Uploads panel. Canva will place it directly onto your template. If your template includes image placeholders, the photo may slot into those areas to match the layout automatically. If not, it will appear on the canvas ready for adjustment. You can now resize and move the image to fit your design perfectly. Use the corner handles to scale the picture proportionally so it stays crisp and undistorted. Click and drag to position it where you want on the page. Keep an eye on the alignment guides that appear as you move the image. They help you center elements and line things up evenly. If precision is important, zoom in while you adjust, then zoom back out to review the overall look. Aim to keep important parts of the photo within the main focal area of the template so your design remains balanced and readable. And that's all there is to it. You searched Canva, logged in, created a design, chose a template, uploaded your image, selected it, and then resized and moved it into place. You're ready to build great visuals with confidence.